Having an estate plan in place can first make sure that you are protected. And then, of course, your spouse, your family, your assets, your home, your financial resources, your business, all the things that you spent your entire life achieving are also protected. It is important to make sure that your people are authorized immediately to do what they need to do to ensure such protection. So here at Abraham Law, we have created this startmyestateplan.com website to offer for free an estate planning checklist, a checklist that is specifically created to help remove that confusion, provide guidance, and to assist people like you to begin the process to get asking the right questions and start getting the right answer. Once you fill in your name and email, we will happily send you this checklist for free that you can use as a simple outline to help you ask the right questions, make the right decisions, and start gathering the right information so you can begin to understand the importance of having your comprehensive estate.